High in the eucalyptus trees of Australia lives a remarkable creature, the koala. With its fluffy ears, button nose and soft, woolly fur, the koala has charmed people all over the world. But don't let their cuddly appearance fool you. These animals are perfectly adapted for life in the treetops. Scientists know them by the name. Let's take a closer look at these fascinating animals. Koalas are an iconic symbol of Australia's unique wildlife. They belong to a group of mammals called marsupials. This means that mother koalas carry their young in a pouch, similar to kangaroos. Join us as we uncover the secrets of these sleepy eucalyptus eaters. Koalas are about the size of a small child. They typically grow to be 2 to 2.5 feet tall. An adult koala can weigh anywhere from 20 to 30 pounds, depending on where they live. Their thick, woolly fur comes in a variety of shades, from silvery grey to reddish brown. This fur helps them stay warm in the winter and cool in the summer. Koalas are perfectly suited for life in the trees. They have strong limbs and sharp claws that help them climb. They also have 2 thumbs on each front paw, which gives them a strong grip. Their hind legs are shorter and more powerful, allowing them to jump from branch to branch. Koalas are native to Australia. They live in the eucalyptus forests along the eastern and southeastern coasts. These forests provide them with everything they need to survive: food, shelter, and safety from predators. Koalas prefer forests with tall, mature eucalyptus trees. These trees offer the most nutritious leaves and provide ample shade from the hot Australian sun. Within these forests, koalas establish home ranges. They are solitary creatures and they rarely interact with each other outside of the breeding season. Their home ranges can vary in size depending on the availability of food and the presence of other koalas. Koalas are herbivores and their diet consists almost entirely of eucalyptus leaves. Eucalyptus leaves are tough and fibrous, and they contain toxins that are poisonous to most animals. However, koalas have a specialized digestive system that allows them to break down these toxins. Their digestive system is incredibly long, which gives bacteria time to detoxify the leaves. This process also extracts the maximum amount of nutrients from the leaves. Even with this specialized digestive system, koalas can only eat leaves from a small number of eucalyptus species. So, koalas are nocturnal animals, which means they are most active at night. They spend most of their day sleeping in the forks of eucalyptus trees. In fact, they can sleep up to 20 hours a day. This makes them one of the sleepiest animals on the planet. When they are not sleeping, koalas are usually eating. They need to eat a lot of leaves to get enough energy. They come down from the trees at night to look for food and to move between trees. Koalas are generally solitary creatures. However, they do communicate with each other using a variety of grunts, growls, and squeaks. Section 6. Raising a joey. The breeding season for koalas typically runs from August to February. During this time, males will bellow loudly to attract females. After mating, the female koala will give birth to a single joey after a gestation period of about 35 days. The joey is born blind and hairless, and it's about the size of a jelly bean. It crawls into its mother's pouch, where it will stay for the next 6 months, drinking milk and growing. After about 6 months, the joey will start to peek out of the pouch and will begin to eat its mother's special droppings called pap. This pap provides the joey with the bacteria it needs to digest eucalyptus leaves. The joey will stay with its mother for another 6 months, riding on her back and learning how to survive in the wild. Section 7. Koalas in danger. Sadly, koalas are facing a number of threats to their survival. Habitat loss is one of the biggest threats. As humans continue to clear land for agriculture, urban development and mining, koalas are losing their homes. Climate change is also a major threat. Rising temperatures and more frequent droughts are making it harder for koalas to find food and water. Bushfires, which are becoming increasingly common in Australia, are also destroying vast swathes of koala habitat. Other threats include disease, dog attacks, and car strikes. Section 8. Fascinating koala facts. Did you know that the word koala comes from an Aboriginal language and means no drink? Koalas get most of their water from the eucalyptus leaves they eat. They only come down from the trees to drink when they are sick or if there is a drought. Another interesting fact is that koalas have fingerprints that are almost identical to human fingerprints. Even under a microscope, it is difficult to tell them apart. This is a remarkable example of convergent evolution, where two unrelated species evolve similar features due to similar environmental pressures. Section 9. Protecting our precious koalas. Koalas are a vital part of Australia's unique ecosystem. Their presence helps to maintain the health and diversity of eucalyptus forests. It's our responsibility to protect these incredible animals for generations to come. Conservation efforts are underway to protect koalas and their habitat. These efforts include establishing protected areas, restoring degraded habitats, and raising awareness about the importance of koala conservation. We can all do our part to help koalas by supporting conservation organizations, reducing our impact on the environment, and spreading the word about these amazing animals.